Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Problems number 69.
Math Problems number 69. Okay, so we're on our section on multiplying fractions today.
Yep.
And the book explained to us that we have two important rules for multiplying fractions. A over B equals A times 1 over B. That's one rule. And 1 over A times B equals 1 over A times 1 over B. So yesterday we did some geometry. Today we're going to use these algebraic rules to multiply this.
Okay.
So first we're going to look at 2/3 times 4/7. What rules do we need to apply first here?
I think it's the it's not the second rule because we don't have ones on top.
Right, can't apply this rule just yet because we don't have ones on the top. So it must be this rule that we're going to apply.
So 2/3 is 2 times 1/3.
Okay, so step one, we're going to say this equals 2
Times 1/3.
times 1/3. I didn't mean to put that fraction bar under the 2. 2 times 1/3, and what's 4/7 equal?
It's 4 times 1/7.
Times 4 times 1/7. Awesome. Okay. Now, what's the next step we're going to use in multiplying out this fraction?
Well, we could regroup.
Okay, what rule are we using when we regroup?
I think we're using the commutative property.
The commutative property says we can write this how?
We can write it as 2 times 4 times 1/3 times 1/7.
2 times 4 times 1/3 times 1/7. Awesome.
And that's 8.
Okay.
2 times 4 is 8
2 times 4 is 8.
times 1/3 times 1/7. But
What can we do with this 1/3 times 1/7?
well, we could multiply the denominator.
Oh, what allows you to do that?
I don't know.
Do we have any rule that helps us with this?
I don't think so. Well,
Do we have any rule?
Yeah, there's that rule.
Oh, that rule. Yeah, that rule. Hey.
That says it's 1 over A times B. So in this case, it's 1 over 3 times 6. 3 times 7.
1/7, which equals what? So 1/3 times 1/7 equals 1 over
1 over 21.
21. There we go. So we did this rule was really important to us.
Yeah.
It helped us simplify this part of it. Now, how do we simplify 8 times 1 over 21?
It's 8/21. It's 8/21.
8/21. Now, what rule did we use to simplify that?
I think it's that one, but we backtracked.
Yeah, 8 over 21. There we go. 8 over 21. Ha-ha!
Cool.
Good job. Now, can you see a quick way to see that 2/3 times 4/7 is 8 over 21?
Well, we could multiply the numerators and denominators.
Yeah, when you just multiply the numerator and denominator, that's what you get. And this is what's happening behind the scenes when you do that.
Cool.
So that's really neat. So we have two very simple rules with fractions that help us simplify complicated expressions. And then we just use our rule, use the commutative property, use the second rule, and then go back and use the first rule, and boom, 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 boom. We can multiply fractions. So yesterday we looked at how to do it geometrically. Here is a way to do it algebraically or using arithmetic.
Cool.
Fun. Good job today, huh? Very good job.